Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to split a bill on Venmo. Let's get straight into it. The first method is to split bills with friends. How you want to do this is by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device and then tap the pay icon, that's the green button at the bottom of the screen. And now you want to enter the total amount of the bill and then tap the split button to split the bill with friends. And now you just want to select the friends that you want to split the bill with from your Venmo contacts, and adjust the split amount for each friend if needed. And you could also add a note to the payment to describe the bill or add additional context, but of course that's optional. Once you're done with all that, just review the split payment details and confirm to complete the transaction. The second method is to use Venmo's split feature. Now how you want to do this is to first open the Venmo app on your mobile device and then just tap the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. And now you want to tap the split button to access the split features, and just enter the total amounts of the bill and select the friends that you want to split the bill with from your Venmo contacts. And you can also adjust the split amount for each friend if that's necessary. You could also add a note to the payment to describe the bill or provide additional context, but that's optional, of course. And once you're done, just review the split payment details and confirm to complete the transaction. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to split a bill on Venmo. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.